So hi guys, I believe some of you would be knowing me. I'm Analyst Ankur, and over the past couple of months, I have written couple of blogs, close to 40, 50 blogs, covering space across IT, engineering, and uh, broader services space. So to bring all of those blogs into one place, I have started this website, and this is the first time I'm creating a video. I believe you would like some bits of it. So let me quickly give you a walkthrough about my website and my motto. At House of Analyst Ankur, I'm calling it House of Analyst Ankur. Uh, my motto is to avoid chaos and bring clarity. I believe every business has a story to tell, a win to celebrate, a pain to heal, and a lesson to teach. At House of Analyst Ankur, I, along with some of my collaborators, will weave such tales. So to give you a quick bit about me, uh, I'm a recent graduate from MDI Gurgaon, and I will make you familiar with the IT engineering and marketing services space uh, across multiple enterprise needs and provider technology offerings. You can connect with me on LinkedIn and join my exclusive WhatsApp community. So all of my blogs are available under the Insights section. The website does take a bit of time to load, but as it goes, I will make it a better one. That is for sure. I've written a couple of blogs. Uh, this was on the evolution of analyst relations. This was on choosing the right vendor. Something in telecom, which I wrote with another colleague of mine, and then some of the things here and there. I'm a bit overthinker, philosophical guy, so some of the things behind the philosophy behind the real-time monitoring solutions you might like reading. Don't go after the number of views. I've just shifted this from blogspot blogger. So that's why the number of views are less, but I would suggest you at least give once a read to it. It might give you some insights that you might be looking for. So I have listed couple of uh, blogs of mine. They are much more on my LinkedIn handle. Do check out those as well. So today I have come here to one give you a brief intro about my website, but more than that, I have gotten an interesting case. I'm on a 15-day leave, year-end leave, and I'm utilizing this time to study the digital transformation initiatives at the Indian automotive OEMs and their suppliers, mostly their suppliers and tier ones, tier twos. Some are calling it tier 0.5s as well. Have you heard this word, tier 0.5? So let me give you a sneak peek of what I'm building. So this is the report that is in progress. I'm calling it Digital Transformation Playbook, Indian Automotive Suppliers. Uh, 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 if you see this I'm building for a company called as GNA Axles. What are their current agenda? What are they looking for? These are some of the things. What are their targeted business outcomes? Some of the things that I'm building. Uh, so yeah, but today I have got another case for all of you. So you must have heard of a company called as Exide. So Exide as a company is very exciting for me. As I told you, I am studying the digital transformation that's happening at the Indian automotive suppliers, tier ones, tier 0.5s, tier twos. And as I was showing to you, I'm studying the likes of GNA Axles, Uno Minda, Sona Comstar, Exide, I know has significant business outside automotive as well. But why are they very interesting for me? They are super interesting because unlike a couple of other companies, Exide is significantly investing in their manufacturing capital from a digitization standpoint. I don't know how many of us understand digitization well. So let me quickly take you through their annual report. This is their annual report. And I'm saying just quickly go through their annual report. Let me bit a bit better. Yeah. So if we see here, they have a manufacturing COE. While it might sound as a fancy name, but they're actually doing something very interesting, which most of the Indian suppliers aren't doing. Maybe because most of their R&D is coming from an outsourced partner, so they don't need it. But if we see here, they are doing a couple of interesting things. They have their COE, they are doing for workforce efficiency, and if you see, they're doing it across the value chain: production, technical quality, assurance, engineering, materials, human resources. Super interesting. They have 200 plus trainers across 35 plus modules, and this was for FY 23-24. 2,500 plus trainings. They have close to 2,500 shop floor workers. Lead their digitization initiatives. They are involved in Industry 4.0. Okay, Industry 4.0 is a fancy term, but they are actually doing significant stuff here. See their implementation of predictive maintenance of critical machines. They have given a image as well, vision and analytics monitor, which helps in process monitoring. It is basically capturing the data from the OT solutions and bringing it into a dashboard. At the same time, if you see here, they are also leveraging their compressor digital twin for energy savings. Energy saving is a significant thing and has picked up across North America and Europe. However, we aren't seeing much initiatives in Indian subcontinent. But the same is happening in Exide. They are doing this for QR code scanning, and they are basically taking a sustainable approach. At the same time, they are also implementing this transportation management module by optimizing transportation routes, logistics optimization, and vehicle utilization. They are monitoring. So it is, if you remember, it is said you can only improve when you can monitor something. In that sense, monitoring solutions are very important, and they have gone a step beyond just monitoring when they are calling things in the predictive manner. So one is just monitoring, second is monitoring plus predictive, and the third step is implementing those predictions in the system. And definitely then the delta reduces of your predictions and the actual. They did mention they forecast, they are also forecasting the demand and could improve their demand forecasting by 10% using some business planning platform. So these are some of the digitization initiatives. And I would like to call out these digitization initiatives are beyond what most of their peers or most of the enterprises in their space are doing. This is a commendable job. And when I was reading this report, I was thinking what caught my eye was this training of the workforce. There's a significant use case in Industry 4.0 in manufacturing enterprises where this training is done using augmented reality and virtual reality headsets. Basically, the worker is being made to wear the headset, and then a pre-programmed thing runs on the headset, and the person can perform the duty in basically he or she would be shown the different parts when the person wears the headset, and then those training can be done. I thought, why is Exide not doing that? If they are doing a couple of things in Industry 4.0, why are they not doing that? Is my simple plain question. I did certain analysis, I did certain churning, so let me come to that case now. See, what I'm calling is currently, my provocation is that currently cost of utilizing augmented reality and virtual reality worker trainings is neck to neck with traditional training solutions. If you see, Exide in the last 3 years spent 74 crores on worker training sessions. Of these, 74 by 3, roughly 26. So 26 crores they spent for worker training. These trainings are divided in two parts. One is the health and safety training. If you can see, total man hours spent on training is 2.75 lakh plus. Of that, 1 lakh are spent in health and safety. The rest have gone in say, upskilling and different initiatives. And mind it, health and safety are the mandatory ones. So if I just focus on health and safety, which is also an important use case for Industry 4.0, augmented reality and virtual reality trainings, then they have roughly spent 8 crores in the last fiscal. So again, coming to it, 8 crores is the amount that is being spent in health and safety based training programs across what we just saw, across 2,200 plus trainers for 2,500 plus training sessions for 2,700 workers. All of this data is coming from their filing only. You can cross check and let me know if there's any point that I have missed. But basis this, if I have to do the calculation, supposedly they come to me, they come to you, and they say, we wanna to implement modern training solutions. See on the right, augmented reality and virtual reality training solutions has 3 cost components. The biggest component is the hardware cost, which is close to 50% of the total cost, and second is the hardware maintenance and support, and third is software cost. Obviously, software also includes one-time customization. It can be off the shelf as well, but generally they require some bit of customization from company to company, industry to industry variants. For 2,700 workers in a group of 4, if we do this exercise, it would require close to 675 headsets. The minimum cost of headset is a 60,000 per headset, which itself takes the cost to 4 crores. So this also, and as I have mentioned above, hardware cost is generally 50% of the total cost. So the total cost would again round up to somewhere 8 crores. So it is very interesting to see that, as I have written above as well, currently cost of utilizing augmented reality and virtual reality worker trainings is neck to neck with traditional training solutions. So what I'm just trying to convey is, as of now, these solutions are almost neck to neck in terms of the cost that's happening. But over the long run, the modern training solutions will win. And let me tell you why. One, in the traditional way, it's difficult to measure the outcomes. If we are spending 8 crores here versus 8 crores here, we are not able to measure the benefits. Second, over the long run, the cost on the modern training solutions would be less. And more importantly, as Exide expands across different locations, the number of training sessions across geos would increase, across different plants would be needed. So because of the modern training solutions, those could be done in a real-time manner across multiple places. So the efficiency would be higher. And obviously, we would also be able to measure the benefits. Since the interesting part with modern training solutions is that they come with their monitoring solutions itself. You can check the progress of the workers, and you can check if the exercises have been done on time, if the exercises were completed. And you can at the same time also do ergonomic study of how first time each of the workers try to do the exercise. What are their eye-hand coordination? What are their hand movements? So in that sense, I am creating a POV that over the long run, modern solutions will win across both benefits, monitoring, and cost levers. This was all for today. You can reach out to me at my cell. You can write to me on my mail ID. And as I showed to you my website, to check out my website as well. If there's anything that interested you, to let me know. If you would like to collaborate, I would be super happy. If you would like me to research more in any of these aspects, to give me a call, and I would be happy to deep dive into this space. Also, do subscribe to my channel and join my WhatsApp channel for more updates. Thank you. Bye. Take care.